The next wave of nanodrugs could focus on several cutting-edge areas, leveraging advances in nanotechnology, biology, and materials science. Some promising developments include targeted cancer therapies. Nanoparticles that deliver drugs directly to cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue are becoming more sophisticated. This includes nanoparticles that respond to specific tumor markers, pH changes, or external triggers like light or magnetic fields. Combining diagnostic imaging and therapy in these theranostic nanoparticles could be a game changer in cancer treatment. CRISPR delivery systems. Nanoparticles designed to carry CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing components directly to specific cells could revolutionize gene therapy. This could be applied to treat genetic disorders, viral infections, and cancers at the DNA level, offering a more precise and less invasive approach. Smart drug delivery. Responsive nanoparticles that release drugs based on real-time physiological conditions, such as glucose levels in diabetes or inflammation markers in autoimmune diseases, are emerging. These systems could improve disease management by releasing medication only when necessary, minimizing side effects. RNA-based nanomedicine, mRNA-based therapies, like those used in COVID-19 vaccines, could expand beyond vaccines to treat diseases like cancer, genetic disorders, and even neurodegenerative diseases. Nanolipid particles, or LNPs, are being improved to enhance the delivery and stability of RNA drugs. Blood-brain barrier penetration. Developing nanoparticles capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier to treat neurological diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and brain tumors remains a key challenge. Advances in nanoparticle design could lead to effective treatments for these difficult-to-reach areas. Immunotherapy Enhancement. Nanodrugs designed to enhance or modulate the immune system are showing potential in areas like cancer immunotherapy and the treatment of autoimmune diseases. Nanoparticles can deliver antigens, cytokines, or immune modulators with higher precision, boosting therapeutic effects while minimizing systemic toxicity. Antimicrobial Nanomaterials. With the rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, nanodrugs that either deliver antibiotics more effectively or act as antimicrobial agents themselves, such as silver nanoparticles, could address this growing public health threat. Organ-on-a-chip and personalized medicine. Using nanotechnology to create organ-on-a-chip models could allow for personalized drug testing, reducing the trial and error aspect of drug prescribing and leading to more precise and effective treatments tailored to individual patients. These areas are likely to shape the future of nanodrugs, offering more effective, personalized, and less invasive treatment options. The next wave of nanodrugs in the field of psychedelics could revolutionize the way these substances are delivered, controlled, and utilized for therapeutic purposes. With the growing interest in psychedelics for mental health treatment, nanotechnology could offer more precise and effective ways to administer these compounds. Targeted psychedelic delivery. Nanoparticles could be used to deliver psychedelics directly to specific regions of the brain, minimizing systemic exposure and side effects. This could be particularly useful for treating conditions like depression, PTSD, and anxiety by targeting the brain areas associated with emotional regulation and cognition. By focusing the delivery, it could reduce the intensity of the overall experience while retaining therapeutic benefits. Controlled release systems. Nano-encapsulation of psychedelics could allow for controlled slow release over time, extending the therapeutic window without overwhelming patients with a full dose at once. This could help patients experience the therapeutic benefits of psychedelics without requiring a long, intense trip, which might be more accessible for clinical use in mental health settings. Non-hallucinogenic psychedelic analogues. Nanodrug formulations could enhance the delivery of non-hallucinogenic analogues of psychedelics, such as those being developed based on compounds like psilocybin or LSD. These analogues aim to provide therapeutic effects without the intense psychedelic experience, which could make them more suitable for broader use in clinical settings. Precision dosing nanoparticles could be engineered to release psychedelic compounds in response to specific brain activity or biomarkers, allowing for precise dosing that adapts to the patient's mental state. This could help regulate the intensity and duration of a psychedelic session, providing a safer and more controlled experience, especially in therapeutic contexts. Combination therapies with psychedelics. Nanodrugs could combine psychedelics with other compounds, such as neuroprotective agents or anti-inflammatory drugs, delivering them simultaneously to optimize the therapeutic outcomes. This could be particularly useful in treating neurodegenerative diseases or chronic pain conditions, where psychedelics are being explored as part of a multimodal treatment. Blood-brain barrier penetration for novel psychedelics. Nanoparticles designed to enhance the delivery of newer or less bioavailable psychedelic compounds like DMT or ibogaine could make these substances more effective in lower doses. This could be particularly useful for compounds that are difficult to administer or that require high doses to cross the blood-brain barrier. Psychedelic microdosing with nanoparticles. Nanotechnology could be used to create more precise and effective microdosing regimens by encapsulating small amounts of psychedelics in nanoparticles. These particles could provide a steady, sustained release of the drug, enhancing the benefits of microdosing without the need for daily administration or the risk of overuse. Theranostic psychedelic nanoparticles. Theranostic nanoparticles could be used in psychedelic therapy to combine diagnostic and therapeutic functions. For example, they could carry both a psychedelic and a brain imaging agent, allowing real-time monitoring of brain activity during psychedelic experiences and providing insights into the therapeutic mechanisms at play. By leveraging these advancements, nanopsychedelic drugs could lead to safer, more effective treatments for mental health disorders, optimizing the benefits of psychedelics while minimizing risks and side effects. Designing an app to control the amount of a nano drug in your system would require integration of advanced medical technologies, wearable devices, and a user-friendly interface to monitor and regulate drug delivery in real time. Here's a conceptual design of such an app. Core features are real-time monitoring, live drug level tracking. The app is connected to a wearable device like a smart patch, smartwatch or implant that monitors the concentration of the nano drug in your bloodstream. Physiological monitoring. The app also tracks key physiological markers such as heart rate, blood pressure, brain activity via EEG, and blood oxygen levels, ensuring that the drug levels correlate with real-time body responses. Notifications. Alerts are sent when drug levels are too high, too low, or when a dose needs adjustment based on the user's condition. Adaptive drug delivery control, personalized dosing schedule. The app uses AI to create a tailored drug dosing schedule based on the user's metabolism, health data, and the specific treatment goals. Manual override users can manually adjust dosage within safe limits, as defined by the healthcare provider, allowing for real-time adjustments to how much of the drug is released into the system. Automatic adjustment. Based on real-time biomarkers, the app automatically adjusts the release of the drug via smart nanoparticles, either increasing or decreasing dosage as needed. Data insights and reports. The visual dashboard provides users with a simple graphical representation of drug levels over time, therapeutic windows, and physiological responses to treatment. The symptom tracker allows users to log symptoms, mood, pain levels, or other relevant health data to track how they respond to different levels of the nanodrug. Detailed reports generate periodic summaries of drug efficacy, side effects, and overall progress, which can be shared with healthcare providers. AI-powered recommendations. Predictive analysis uses machine learning to predict how the body might react to different dosages or environmental factors like stress, diet, and sleep, helping adjust the nano drug dosage in advance. Treatment optimization suggests changes in lifestyle, diet, or activity that might enhance the drug's effectiveness based on user input and data trends. Safety protocols. Drug overdose prevention includes built-in safety mechanisms to ensure the drug release system can never deliver a potentially harmful dose, even if the user attempts manual overrides. Emergency alerts enable the app to automatically alert healthcare providers or emergency contacts if it detects dangerous physiological changes, such as allergic reactions or an overdose. Cloud connectivity for healthcare providers. Remote monitoring. Healthcare providers can access real-time data and make remote adjustments to dosage schedules or drug formulations via a cloud-based platform connected to the app. Telemedicine integration. The app can be integrated with telemedicine platforms, allowing users to have video or text consultations with their doctors, who can remotely adjust drug settings based on real-time data. User-friendly interface, simplified navigation. The app has an intuitive, clean design with large, easy-to-read metrics for drug levels, symptoms, and overall health indicators, voice commands. Users can adjust drug levels or get insights through voice commands for ease of use. Customization options. Users can personalize their experience, including setting daily health goals, reminders for when to take complementary medications or perform other therapies, and adjusting notification settings. Privacy and security. All health data is encrypted and stored securely to comply with medical data privacy laws like HIPAA. The app can be accessed only through biometric authentication, ensuring that only the user or authorized healthcare providers can control the drug delivery. Use case scenarios. Patients with chronic pain can use the app to adjust pain relief nanodrug levels throughout the day, ensuring optimal relief without risking dependency or side effects from fluctuating drug levels. In a therapeutic setting, the app could help regulate the release of psychedelics in real time, ensuring that patients have the right amount of the drug for a therapeutic session, avoiding overwhelming experiences and tapering off the dose safely. Patients undergoing chemotherapy with nanodrugs could use the app to monitor their treatment progress, ensuring that they receive the optimal dose without excess toxicity, while managing side effects like nausea. Hardware integration, a small, discrete, wearable patch or implant containing sensors for real-time tracking of drug concentration and vital signs, connected via Bluetooth to the app. The nanodrug itself is contained in a smart capsule or micro-reservoir, which is remotely controlled by the app to release the drug into the bloodstream in controlled amounts. Future capabilities for psychedelic treatments. The app could integrate with virtual reality or augmented reality environments to enhance therapeutic experiences, adjusting drug doses based on the user's reactions to immersive stimuli. Integration with wearable smart glasses like bone conduction glasses that display real-time health metrics during drug treatment sessions, providing feedback or guidance to users based on their drug levels and reactions. This app design would bridge the gap between advanced nano-drug therapies and user control, ensuring both safety and effectiveness while enhancing patient autonomy in their treatment process.